Where the code at?
Okay, you guys, just getting back to Cascade Mountain here in Wisconsin Dells. I pre-ordered my ticket, so all you got to do is show your little barcode on your phone, and then you can just print your stuff out right there. Social distancing out here. About to see what these slopes is like up here in Wisconsin, you guys. Tonight, goal of tonight, bend my knees and try to remember to make that MFN pizza. But first, we going up the little hill, the practice hill. Oh man, somebody just fell. We going up this, we doing this little hill first before we tackle up there, you guys. All right, and it's showtime. This hill got a few dips in it. You probably can't tell, but this is the practice hill starting out here. Like I said, made it up here. Man, it's a lot of work. I ain't been skiing since December of 2019. And this is W-O-R-K. And I might need to put a hard in front of that. Hard work. Man, getting up and down these hills and moving around. Workout. Oh, is that like a medical team?
Mm-hmm. They had to come out and get them.
So cold, y'all. My hands is freezing. Oh man, we might have an injury. Send up some prayers. Yeah, I do not want to go that way.
Hold on, the turn is there. Stay a little fast.
Gotta go all the way back down, you guys. What goes up? Is that Frank? No. What goes up must come down. Is that Frank? Everybody looks the same. Okay, yeah, my hands is freezing. I sped down the hill. This is how I ended up. I was just about to crash into the building. I couldn't stop. I was making a pizza. That pizza wasn't working. I must got to make something else, y'all. But I came down pretty fast. I had to slide in like I was trying to do a home run or get to first base, second base, third base, and just slid on in. But it was fun. I'm gonna go back, try it again. All right, back in the warm environment. About to take these boots off. Didn't do as much as I did last time in 2019, but y'all can check out my other video that's on my channel. I'm gonna get boots off. I ain't dressed appropriately. I got on my silky thermals when I should have had on the cotton one. Took my gloves off for a second and my fingers was freezing out there while I was trying to record. Yeah, I gotta get some heat and get some food. And we got here late, you guys, so we really only had like an hour to try to ski and get dressed and all that stuff to get outside on the slopes. Okay, you guys, so you saw what it looks like outside in one of the outdoor areas in the wintertime, but let me tell you, it is packed here. It is packed. We can't even find a seat right now. It's so packed and crowded. It's packed, y'all. It's packed. You gotta find something. packed. We can't find nowhere to sit. Look at this, you guys. It's just packed up in here. Let the fun begin. The waves have started. And J-Hen is just out here on lifeguard duty. I'm at the wilderness, but I got my Noah's Ark bottle cover with me. These look like the smaller waves, so I guess the second time the waves come, they'll be bigger. Okay, you guys, so I sat on the sidelines for a minute. Now it's time for me to wait and catch the great wave, you guys. I'm gonna catch this great wave. The next one that comes out here, I'm gonna be in it with my hands up in the air, jumping around. So, waiting on the next set of waves here. Enjoying myself in the dells. These are like the big waves. Right in the waves, y'all. This is how you do it. Come all the way down here where the big waves started. Woo. Go to the rope. We go to the rope. Let's do it for the UT. So I'm down here almost in the 6 feet. I can't touch the ground, so. Okay, so those first set of waves I tried to do down there almost took me out. I'm a little tired. I ain't have enough energy for all that. I should have went running or something first. Man, that was a workout. I'm gonna try to get back out there again, at least a few more times. But somebody's trying to dunk me underwater and splash me, so I'm on the run right now. And they can't catch me because I was on the swim team, so they ain't gonna catch me. But you know, I'm not trying to get caught slipping, so that's why I'm against this wall right here. You know, make sure to watch my back, and you know, I can watch the front and the sides real easy. But you know, if I had to stand out here in the middle somewhere, you know, they could be coming all around me, but they only attack and let me spin around to where they at. They way over on the other side, way by the chairs looking for me, but I ain't trying to be found right now. I think I'm gonna creep back up on them and splash them again. And I lost my shoe out there, y'all, while he was trying to attack me. As y'all can hear, I'm out of breath. I'm out of breath right now. I had to go try to catch my shoe. Might have to take these swim shoes off so I can really get away. Might have to take this GoPro off too, because I'm not trying to get caught out here, caught slipping. I got caught slipping once, and I wasn't even used to the water yet. Don't y'all hate it when somebody splash you and you didn't even get a chance to, like, you know, go underwater yourself, get used to the water? For me, it takes me a minute, you know, to get used to the water. I like to ease my way in. Every now and then I might just jump in right away, but for the most part, I take my time getting in. So yeah, I'm gonna sit this one out, y'all, but stay tuned. This dude right here wanna mess with a killer. He wanna mess with a killer. He wanna mess with a killer right here. He wanna mess with a killer. He wanna mess with a killer out here. He wanna mess with a killer. He think he about that life. He think he about that life. Hey, my shit.
I'm trying the drink of the month. It's a Jack Frost. It got coconut juice. I forgot what else in it, but it's my drink, y'all.